In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a contact in Freshdesk. Whether you've received an email from a customer or you simply want to ensure that all your information is correctly linked and organized, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's important to manage your contact details effectively in Freshdesk to maintain seamless communication and service quality. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Freshdesk account. This is your gateway to managing your customer interactions and is essential for accessing all the features that Freshdesk offers. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar on your screen. You'll see a range of options designed to help you navigate different parts of the system. Your focus today will be on contacts, as this is where you'll find the information that needs verifying. Once you're in the contacts section, you can easily look up the customer you need to verify. You have a few different search options here. You can enter their name, email address, or phone number into the search bar to narrow down the results. This flexibility is useful because sometimes you might have different types of information available for your contacts. Once you've located the customer you're looking for, open their contact record. This will give you an overview of all the details associated with that particular contact, and it's where you'll begin your verification. Start by checking the email address. This is a crucial step because the email address serves as the main identifier. By ensuring it's correct, you're making sure that communications are linked to the right person. Next, take a look at the phone number, if it's been added. This is another key piece of information, especially if your business uses phone support or communications. After the phone number, you'll want to assess the company association. This detail is particularly important if the customer is affiliated with an organization, as it helps in keeping track of related requests and communications. Along with these primary details, don't forget to check other fields such as custom fields and notes. Freshdesk allows you to tailor these fields to your specific needs, so it's a good idea to make sure they're accurate and up to date. If anything looks amiss, or if any details are missing, don't worry. You can easily make corrections. Click the Edit button, which appears as a pencil icon. This will allow you to update any information that needs changing, whether it's the email address, phone number, company affiliation, or additional tags linked to the contact. Once you've made the necessary updates, remember to save your changes before moving on. This will ensure that all the information is stored correctly and is accessible when needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to verifying a contact in Freshdesk. Keeping your contact information accurate and up to date is a central part of maintaining effective customer service. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more equipped to manage your contact details efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy verifying.